there, my spooky family. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, my name is Chelsea, and I do everything from makeup tutorials to paranormal stories, and occasionally I'll do, paranormal investigations. It's been a while since I've done one of those, but the temperature is so bipolar here. I guess you can tell I'm having like sinus drainage and allergies and all this shit. But today, we're going to kind of do the usual tutorial. It is Friday, of course. So that just means a quick makeup tutorial. And today I know I missed Valentine's Day by a few days, but, we're still going to try... We're still going to try to do like some sort of date night kind of look. And today we are going to focus on using this e.l.f. Mint Melt palette in the shade Chocolate Mint. It's like, I don't know. I did a look with this, I think yesterday. It was something quick, easy. But we're just going to jump into this quick makeup tutorial, and we're just going to fast forward through it. I'm going to show you everything that I use. If you want to see a list, I will put it down in the description. But let's do this shit.
Time is standing still as I let go of your cold hand. Eyes are wet but lips are dry, and all the things we'd planned were never what you wanted. We've been lying from the start. Guess I knew it, just ignored it. I let go of your cold hand. I guess I saw it coming, yet it took me by surprise. But if there's nothing left to cry for, then I will just crack a smile. I had a million different things to do, and every one of them included you. We had a million different things to do. What can I say? Well, I've been lonely too. Lying on my own, the sheets are covered in your scent. Really tried to fall asleep, but I can't understand. Though we both felt kinda lonely, I still always thought you loved me. When I tried to let it go, the sheets are covered in your scent. I guess I saw it coming, yet it took me by surprise. But if there's nothing left to cry for, then I will just crack a smile. If it was never what you wanted, we've been lying from the start. Guess I knew it, just ignored it. I let go of your cold hand. bedroom at night. Lately I have not been sleeping fine. I can't get no peace of mind. Though I could be better than I've ever been. Got friends, a family, and a place to stay. Though I should be better than ever when I see my loved ones every day. I know for every laugh we share today, there'll be a teardrop later on. I know the more I have, the more I have to lose, the less I feel I've won. I've been having nightmares. I've been having nightmares.
Jet planes in the night sky with you, getting high in the sunrise with you, getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, now I do. And I wish that I could build a time machine, 'cause time moves on, and now you're gone. Oh, if only I could build a time machine, I'd come and get you. I can't forget you. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that you were mine. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that you were mine.
And there you guys have it. I tried to show you guys how to do the facelift that I do. I'm trying to show you guys my tricks without explaining them to you. If you would like a more detailed tutorial on how I do my makeup, I would gladly do it. I just do these tutorials quickly because I don't really know how to talk to the camera yet. But anyways, if you add liner to this look, it's not going to hurt it any. I just wanted to do something different. Every single makeup look that I do has winged liner, and I just wanted to do something a little different. But yeah, you can just add a winged liner if you're comfortable with it. But I think it's pretty. It would be good for a date night, of course. I mean, with this eye look, you can add any color lip to it, and you'd still be gorgeous. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Still kind of rough around the edges while doing these since being back. I don't know if you guys have noticed anything regarding why I have been gone over the last 2 months. I think it might be 3 months now. But eventually I may be able to tell you more about why. But until next time, you guys, be you, love yourself, and stay spooky. And I'll see you guys next time.